Dear student, today we take third lecture of molecular spectroscopy. Okay, we have already completed the classification of molecular electronic states. Okay, so we have taken two lectures, lecture 1 and lecture 2 for classification of molecular electronic states. So in the third lecture of classification of molecular electronic state, in the third lecture of molecular state, we will take some example, so you can get the meaning of different designations and symbols. Okay, so my first example is this: give the correct designations for the substances of pi 1 state, pi 2 state, pi 3 state, pi 4 state and delta 4 states. Okay, so this is the example that give the correct designations for the substances of pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, pi 4, delta 4 states. Okay, now we do the solution of this example. We give the correct designations for the substances of pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, pi 4 and delta 4 states. Okay, so out of these 5, I will solve 2 or 3 examples. First of all, I solve second example, pi 2 state. So let us consider the electronic state pi 2. Okay, I will solve second, third and fifth. Okay, so let us consider the electronic state pi 2. Now for sigma state, you know very well, for sigma state lambda is equal to 0. For pi state lambda is equal to 1. Okay, so you are given pi 2 state. So for pi state the value of lambda is 1, right? So for the given electronic state pi 2, for sigma state lambda is equal to 0, and for the given electronic state pi, the value of lambda is 1. Okay, now you know very well the left hand side superscript is 2, which denotes the multiplicity. So multiplicity of pi 2 state 2s plus 1 is 2. Therefore 2s is equal to 2 minus 1 will be 1, and therefore value of s will be 1 by 2. Value of s will be 1 by 2. Okay, now if s is 1 by 2, then sigma has values, you know, from plus s to minus s. Plus s means plus 1 by 2, minus s means minus 1 by 2. Okay, so now we have two quantum numbers for the given electronic state phi 2. The value of lambda is 1, because for sigma state, for the molecular state sigma, lambda is 0, and for the given molecular electronic state pi 2, lambda is 1. Now multiplicity is always written on the left hand side superscript. So for pi 2 state, the left hand side superscript is 2. So multiplicity of pi 2 state 2s plus 1 is 2. Multiplicity of pi 2 state is 2s plus 1 is 2. Okay, because multiplicity of the state is always written on the left hand side superscript. So for the electronic state pi 2, the multiplicity of pi 2 state 2s plus 1 is 2. The multiplicity of pi 2 state 2s plus 1 is 2. So 2s is equal to 2 minus 1 will be 1. So value of s is 1 by 2. So electronic spin quantum number sigma has values from plus s to minus s. So plus s means plus 1 by 2, minus s means minus 1 by 2. Now total quantum number omega is the algebraic sum of lambda and sigma. Now for sigma state lambda is 1. Value of sigma is 1 by 2. The second value of omega will be lambda plus sigma. Lambda is 1 and sigma is minus 1 by 2. Okay, so we have two values of omega. 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2. Right? Okay. Therefore, the substances are denoted by pi. The value of total quantum number omega 3 by 2 is written on the right hand side subscript. Okay, so we have two values of total quantum number omega 3 by 2. So state is written as pi 3 by 2, and the second value of omega is 1 by 2, so it is pi 1 by 2. But multiplicity of the state is 2. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, so for the electronic state pi 2, for sigma state lambda is 0, and for the electronic state pi, lambda is 1. Now multiplicity of pi 2 state, multiplicity of pi 2 state 2s plus 1 is 2, which is written on the left hand side superscript. The multiplicity of pi 2 state 2s plus 1 is 2. So 2s is equal to 2 minus 1 will be 1. So value of s is 1 by 2. So now the electronic spin quantum number sigma has values plus s to minus s. Plus s means plus 1 by 2 and minus s means minus 1 by 2. So electronic spin quantum number sigma has two values. So total quantum number omega is the algebraic sum of lambda and sigma. So total quantum number or quantum number corresponding to total angular momentum of the molecule omega is lambda plus sigma. So lambda is 1. For pi state lambda is 1 and the first value of sigma is 1 by 2. So 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2. Then for pi state lambda is 1 and the other value of sigma is minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2. So omega has two values, 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2, and 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. So thus substances are denoted by designations pi. The first value of omega is 3 by 2 and second value of omega is 1 by 2. Okay, so value of total quantum number omega is 3 by 2 and 1 by 2. So we have the substances are pi 3 by 2 and pi 1 by 2 and multiplicity of the state is 2. Okay, now third, these are the two states. It is known as doublet states. Okay, now for pi 3 we get three states. So for triplet state, triplet electronic state pi 3. Okay, now let us solve the third part of the example. In the third part you are given the molecular electronic state pi 3. For pi state lambda is equal to 1, you know very well. For triplet electronic state pi 3, for pi state lambda is 1. Okay, now multiplicity of pi 2 state is 2, but multiplicity of pi 3 state is 3. So multiplicity of pi 3 state 2s plus 1 is 3. Therefore 2s is equal to 3 minus 1 will be 2. So value of s will be 1. So multiplicity of pi 2 state 2s plus 1 was 2, but the multiplicity 2s plus 1 of pi 3 state is 3. So 2s is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So s is 1 by 2. Therefore electronic spin quantum number sigma has values plus s to minus s. Plus s means plus 1, then s minus 1, 1 minus 1 will be 0, minus s means minus 1. So electronic spin quantum number sigma has three values, plus 1, 0, minus 1. Now total quantum number omega is lambda plus sigma. Total quantum number omega is lambda plus sigma. Now for pi state lambda is 1 and first value of sigma is 1, so 1 plus 1. Second value of omega will be lambda plus sigma. Lambda is 1, sigma is 0. Third value of omega is lambda plus sigma. Lambda is 1 and sigma is minus 1. Right? Okay. So for triplet electronic state, for triplet electronic state pi 3, for pi state lambda is 1. For triplet electronic state pi 3, for triplet electronic state pi 3, for pi state lambda is 1. The multiplicity of pi 3 state 2s plus 1 is 3. Therefore 2s is equal to 3 minus 1, that is 2. So s is 1. Okay. So for triplet electronic state pi 3, for sigma state lambda is 0. For sigma state lambda is 0. For pi state lambda is 1. So for triplet electronic state pi, the value of lambda is 1. Multiplicity of pi 3 state 2s plus 1 is 3. Therefore 2s is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So value of s will be 1. Correct? So the electronic spin quantum number sigma has values from plus s to minus s. Plus s means plus 1. 1 minus 1 will be 0. 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. So total quantum number omega has values lambda plus sigma. So lambda is 1 plus sigma is 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. Lambda plus sigma. Lambda is 1. Second value of sigma is 0. So 1 plus 0 will be 1. Third value of omega, lambda plus sigma. Lambda is 1. Sigma is minus 1 minus 1 will be 0. So we have three values of omega. 2, 1 and 0. 2, 1 and 0. So substances are written as, we have three values of omega. We have three values of omega. That is 2, 1, 0. So substances are pi. You are given the molecular state pi 3. The first value of omega is 2, second value of omega is 1, and third value of omega is 0. Okay, so these are the three substances of the molecule pi 3 2, pi 3 1, pi 3 0. Okay, and let us solve the fifth delta 4 state. Delta 4 state. Okay. Now for delta state, the value of lambda is 2, because we have studied that for sigma state lambda is 0, for the molecular electronic state sigma, lambda for the molecular electronic state is sigma, lambda is 0, for pi state lambda is 1, and for delta state lambda is equal to 2. Right? So for delta state value of lambda is 2. So for the molecular electronic state sigma, lambda is 0, for pi state lambda is 1, and for delta state lambda is 2. Now multiplicity of delta 4 state, multiplicity of delta 4 state, 2s plus 1 is 4, because multiplicity is always written on the left hand side superscript. So multiplicity of delta 4 state 2s plus 1 is 4. So value of 2s is equal to 4 minus 1. So 2s is equal to 4 minus 1 is 3. So value of s will be 3 by 2. Value of s will be 3 by 2. Now the total quantum number omega, lambda is 2 for delta state. For molecular electronic state, delta lambda is 2. Multiplicity of delta 4 state 2s plus 1 is 4. So value of 2s is 4 minus 1 3. So value of s is 3 by 2. So now the total quantum number omega is lambda plus, yes, if s is 3 by 2, then sigma has values from plus s to minus s. So electronic spin quantum number sigma has values plus s means plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 will be minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 will be minus 3 by 2. Okay. So electronic spin quantum number sigma has 4 values from plus s to minus s. Plus s means plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 will be minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 will be minus 3 by 2. Okay. So now total quantum number omega is the sum of lambda plus sigma. Okay. So lambda is for delta state, for molecular electronic state delta, lambda is 2. First value of sigma will be 3 by 2. Okay. Then second value of omega will be lambda plus sigma. Lambda is 2, sigma is 1 by 2. Third value of omega is lambda plus sigma, that is 2 minus 1 by 2. And fourth value of omega will be lambda plus sigma. Lambda is 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay. So you will be having 4 values. Okay. 2 plus 3 by 2 will, that is 7 by 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, and 1 by 2. Right. So the substances are delta. We have 4 substances. The first value of omega is 7 by 2, second value of omega is 5 by 2, third value is 3 by 2, and last value is 1 by 2, and multiplicity is 4. Okay, so once again I repeat, for delta molecular electronic state, delta 4 state, for molecular electronic state delta, right, for molecular electronic state delta, the value of lambda is 2. For molecular electronic state delta, value of lambda is 2. Now multiplicity of delta 4 state 2s plus 1 is 4, which is written on left hand side superscript. So 2s is equal to 4 minus 1, that is 3. So value of s is 3 by 2. Now the electronic spin quantum number sigma has values from plus s to minus. Total values you will get 2s plus 1. 2s plus 1. Okay. So the sigma has 2s plus 1 values. 2s plus 1 values. 2 value of s is 3 by 2 plus 1. Okay. Here s is 3 by 2. So total values of sigma will be 2s plus 1. So 2 into 3 by 2 plus 1. So total we get 4 values of sigma. What are the 4 values of sigma? Plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 will be minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 1 will be minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 will be minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now quantum number corresponding to total angular momentum of the molecule omega is sigma plus lambda plus sigma. Now lambda is 2 plus 3 by 2, that is 7 by 2. Second value of omega will be 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 5 by 2. Third value of omega will be 2 minus 1 by 2 will be 3 by 2. And fourth value of omega will be 2 minus 3 by 2, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Okay. So we have 4 values of omega. So we have the substances are denoted as delta 7 by 2, delta 5 by 2, delta 3 by 2, delta 1 by 2. And multiplicity is 4. Okay. And last example. Explain the various symbols in the notation. Explain the various symbols in the notation sigma u2 minus, which denotes molecular state. Right. So this is the second example we want to solve. But explain the various symbols for the notation sigma 2u minus, which denotes the molecular state. Now here the first is sigma. Sigma is the name of the state. Sigma is the name of molecular state. For sigma state, the value of lambda is 0. Right? So sigma is the name of the state. Sigma is the name of the molecular state. For sigma state, lambda is 0, 0. Means if suppose this is the internuclear axis, then for sigma state, the direction of angular momentum is perpendicular to the internuclear axis, so that the component of angular momentum along the internuclear axis will be 0. Right? So sigma is the name of the molecular electronic state for which the value of lambda is 0. Means for sigma state, the electronic angular momentum is perpendicular to the internuclear axis, so that the component of electronic angular momentum along the internuclear axis will be 0. Okay. Second, the superscript 2 represents the multiplicity of state. Multiplicity of state. The subscript on the symbol sigma u2, or the subscript on the molecular electronic state sigma is 2. So subscript 2 represents the multiplicity of the state. Now multiplicity is 2s plus 1. So 2s plus 1 is equal to 2. So value of 2s is 2 minus 1, 1. So s is equal to 1 by 2. So we can say that the resultant electronic spin of the molecule in this state is 1 by 2. Okay. So the superscript, left hand side superscript is 2. So superscript 2 is representing the multiplicity of the molecular electronic state. So superscript 2 represents the multiplicity of the molecular electronic state, and for sigma 2 state, the multiplicity of electronic state sigma is 2. So the subscript 2 on the left hand side of the molecular notation sigma, the superscript 2 on the left hand side, superscript 2 on the symbol sigma is the multiplicity of the state. Okay, so this left hand side superscript 2 represents the multiplicity of sigma state. It is 2s plus 1 is equal to 2. So multiplicity 2s plus 1 of sigma state, 2s plus 1 is 2. So value of 2s will be 2 minus 1, that is 1. So s is 1 by 2. So resultant electronic spin of the molecule in the sigma state is 1 by 2. So resultant spin of the molecule is 1 by 2. Now the minus sign on the right hand side minus sign on the right hand side indicates the symmetry property of the state. When sigma operates on psi, we get the same function with change sign, right? Okay. And u represents the parity of the eigenfunction of the state. For G state, we say it is even parity function, and U denotes the odd parity functions. Odd parity, right? Okay. So this is the meaning of each and every term. Once again, I repeat that we have discussed the meaning of various symbols in the notation sigma to U minus, which denotes the molecular electronic state. Now sigma is the name of molecular electronic state. For sigma state, lambda is 0. So for sigma state, the angular momentum vector L is perpendicular to the internuclear axis. So component of angular momentum L along the internuclear axis is 0. Okay. So along the internuclear axis, there is no lambda is 0. Okay. Now superscript 2 on the left hand side, superscript 2 on the symbol sigma. Left hand side superscript 2 represents the multiplicity of the state. So the left hand side superscript 2 represents the multiplicity 2s plus 1 of sigma state. So multiplicity 2s plus 1 is 2. So value of 2s is 1. So s is 1 by 2. So we can say the resultant electronic spin of the molecule in this state is 1 by 2. Okay. Now this minus sign represents, indicates the symmetry property of the state. Minus and plus sign indicates the symmetry property of the state. When sigma operates on psi, okay, either you get the same function or you are getting the function with change sign. Okay. And last, u represents the parity of eigenfunctions of the state, right? For G, if you write G, then it represents the even parity, and here for the given state, the parity is U, means it is a odd parity function. Okay. So this is the end of this chapter. Okay. Now we will start the new chapter, electronic spectra. We will start a new chapter, electronic spectra. You have studied rotational spectra, vibrational spectra, and Raman spectra in semester 5. This semester we have to study electronic spectra, right? Okay. So the first article of this chapter, because whenever we study vibrational spectra or rotational spectra, we always discuss the salient features of this spectra, that which are the important properties or which are the salient features of rotational spectra, vibrational spectra, and Raman spectra. Similarly, here also, the first article will discuss the salient features of electronic spectra. Salient features of electronic spectra. So in the first article, we will discuss the salient features of electronic spectra. So first feature, that electronic spectra is obtained when molecule makes a transition from one electronic state to the other electronic state. We have just discussed, in the previous chapter we have discussed that lambda is equal to 0 is called sigma state, electronic state sigma. For electronic state sigma, value of lambda is 0. Lambda is equal to 1 is called pi state, lambda is equal to 2 is called delta state, lambda is equal to 3 is called phi state. So for electronic state sigma, lambda is 0. For electronic state pi, lambda is 1. For electronic state delta, lambda is 2. Okay. So molecular electronic states are classified according to different values of lambda. Lambda is equal to 0 is called sigma state, lambda is equal to 1 is called pi state, lambda is equal to 2 is called delta state. Okay. So when molecule makes a transition from one electronic state to the other electronic state, we get a electronic spectra. But this electronic spectra is very much complex, because when molecule makes a transition from one electronic state to other electronic state, suppose I show two electronic states. This is the ground electronic state, ground electronic state. This is the excited electronic state. And when molecule makes a transition, from ground electronic state to the excited electronic state, okay, then along with this electronic transition, molecule also makes a vibrational transition. Okay, so when molecule makes a transition from ground electronic state, when molecule makes an electronic transition from ground electronic state to the excited electronic state, along with this electronic transition is accompanied by vibrational transition. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रांजिशन से साथ साथ वाइब्रेशनल ट्रांजिशन भी होता है. ओके, एंड द वाइब्रेशनल ट्रांजिशन इज ऑल्सो accompanied by रोटेशनल ट्रांजिशन. सो वाइब्रेशनल ट्रांजिशन के साथ रोटेशनल ट्रांजिशन भी होता है. सो व्हेन मॉलिक्यूल मेक्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रांजिशन के साथ साथ वाइब्रेशनल ट्रांजिशन भी मॉलिक्यूल करता है. एंड वाइब्रेशनल ट्रांजिशन इज accompanied by रोटेशनल ट्रांजिशन. सो वाइब्रेशनल ट्रांजिशन के साथ साथ में रोटेशनल ट्रांजिशन भी होता है. सो this electronic spectra is the most complex spectra, right? So I write here electronic spectra is the most complex molecular spectra. Electronic spectra is the most complex molecular spectra appearing in visible and ultraviolet region, right? So electronic spectra is the most complex spectra, because as I told you that when molecule makes an electronic transition along with the electronic transition from one electronic state to other electronic state, this electronic transition is accompanied by vibrational transition and vibrational transition is accompanied by rotational transition. तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रांजिशन के साथ में वाइब्रेशनल ट्रांजिशन भी होता है, वाइब्रेशनल ट्रांजिशन के साथ में रोटेशनल ट्रांजिशन भी होता है. That is why electronic spectra is the most complex spectra which appears in visible or ultraviolet region. So electronic spectra is appearing in visible or ultraviolet region. Okay. We already studied that rotational spectra appears in far infrared region and vibrational spectra appears in the near infrared or microwave region, right? And Raman spectra appears in visible or ultraviolet region. Similarly, electronic spectra appearing in visible and ultraviolet region, right? It involves a change in all the three energies: electronic energy, when molecule makes an electronic transition, its electronic energy is going to change, its vibrational energy is going to change, and its rotational energy also going to change. As I told you, when molecule makes a transition from one electronic state to the other electronic state, this electronic transition, when molecule makes a transition from one electronic state to other electronic state, this electronic transition is accompanied by vibrational transition. Vibrational transition is accompanied by rotational transition. So when molecule makes an electronic transition from one electronic state to other electronic state, this electronic transition के साथ साथ में vibrational transition भी होता है. So electronic transition is accompanied by vibrational transition, और vibrational transition के साथ साथ में rotational transition भी होता है. This vibrational transition is accompanied by rotational transitions. That is why electronic spectra is the most complex molecular spectra, and it appears in visible or ultraviolet region. And when electronic transition takes place, okay, there will be a change in all the three energies, right? Electronic energy of the molecule is going to change, vibrational energy will change, and rotational energy will change. So it involves a change in all the three energies. Electronic energy of the molecule is going to change, vibrational energy is going to change, and rotational energy is also going to change. Okay. Second feature I mentioned, electronic spectra. Electronic spectra are studied both in emission and absorption. Electronic spectra are obtained, emission में भी मिलता है, absorption में भी मिलता है. So electronic spectra are studied and observed in both in emission and absorption. And the band and the electronic band show a fine structure. More complicated than in the vibrational rotational band. What do you mean by fine structure? Fine structure means a single band is made up of several closed lines, right? A single band made up of several closed lines is called the fine structure of the electronic band, and the electronic band, okay, is made up of several closed lines. So fine structure of electronic band is more complicated than the fine structure of vibrational rotational bands, right? Okay, and electronic spectra is observed in emission as well as in absorption. The third property, in electronic spectra bands are degraded either towards red or towards the violet. See, in vibrational rotational spectra, you are getting only red degraded bands, right? Okay. In infrared spectrum or vibrational rotational spectra, you are only getting red degraded bands. But in electronic spectra, we are getting two types of band, red degraded band as well as violet degraded band. We will give the reason for this. That in infrared spectrum or vibrational spectrum, we get only red degraded bands, but in electronic spectrum, we get red degraded band as well as violet degraded bands. So red degraded bands and violet degraded bands both are observed in electronic spectra, while in vibrational rotational spectra or in infrared spectra, we get only red degraded bands. Fourth is this important. Fourth salient feature, that all molecules homonuclear and heteronuclear, all molecules homonuclear and heteronuclear exhibits electronic spectra. So all molecules, either it is a homonuclear molecule or heteronuclear molecule, they will give the electronic spectra. You must be knowing that only heteronuclear molecules are giving rotational spectra and vibrational spectra. Homonuclear molecules are not giving rotational spectra and vibrational spectra. But for electronic spectra is observed for all the molecules, homonuclear and heteronuclear. So all the molecules, whether it is a homonuclear or heteronuclear, will give the molecular electronic spectra. Okay, so I mention here homonuclear molecule such as H2, N2 O2 which neither give rotational nor vibrational spectra, give electronic spectra because of instantaneous dipole moment right. So all molecules, whether it is a homonuclear molecule or heteronuclear molecule, they give the electronic spectra. You know very well that homonuclear molecules like H2, homonuclear molecules like H2 and 2O2, they neither give rotational spectra nor give vibrational spectra, but they give the electronic spectra because of the instantaneous dipole moment. Because of the instantaneous dipole moment, they give the electronic spectra. Okay. The second case, second article, the formation of electronic spectra. Formation of electronic spectra. So my second article is the formation of electronic spectra, that how the electronic spectra is formed. Okay. Now you know very well that molecule has bonding of two atoms and internuclear distance is r. Okay. So when okay, so molecule is like a bonding of two atoms. So when one of the atom forming a diatomic molecule is electronically excited, its valence electron is pushed. Its valence electron is pushed into an orbital farther from the nucleus. अब मॉलिक्यूल के दो एटम में से कोई एक एटम को इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिकली एक्साइट करता है तो उसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूक्लियस से दूर चला जाएगा. इट्स वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन पुश्ड इनटू एन ऑर्बिटल फार्दर फ्रॉम द न्यूक्लियस. We say that yes, the molecule is said to be in an electronically excited state, right? So when one of the atoms forming a diatomic molecule is electronically excited, when one of the atoms forming a diatomic molecule is electronically excited, its valence electron will be pushed away from the nucleus. Its valence electron will be pushed into an orbital away from the nucleus. Okay, so दो एटम में से आप कोई भी एटम को मॉलिक्यूल के दो एटम में से आप कोई भी एटम को इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली एक्साइट करता है तो उसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूक्लियस से दूर चला जाएगा, राइट. सो इलेक्ट्रॉन कन्फिगरेशन विल बी चेंज्ड, राइट. सो उसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन अब दो मॉलिक्यूल के दो एटम में से कोई एक एटम को इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली एक्साइट करेंगे तो उसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन न्यूक्लियस से दूर चला जाएगा. इट्स वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज पुश्ड इनटू एन ऑर्बिटल फर्दर अवे फ्रॉम द न्यूक्लियस. ओके, हाँ, तो उसका ऑर्बिटल इलेक्ट्रॉन, उसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन राइट इज पुश्ड इनटू एन ऑर्बिटल फर्दर फ्रॉम द न्यूक्लियस से दूर चला जाएगा. तो इन दिस केस वी कैन से दैट molecule is electronically excited. We can say that molecule is electronically excited in different electronic states. In different electronic state, electron configuration is different. अलग अलग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टेट में इलेक्ट्रॉन का कन्फिगरेशन अलग अलग होता है, राइट. सो इन डिफरेंट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टेट्स लाइक सिग्मा स्टेट, पाई स्टेट, डेल्टा स्टेट, द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन इज डिफरेंट. ओके, so each electronic state has different electron configuration, and each electronic state of the molecule has different potential energy curve, right. So each electronic state of the molecule has different potential energy curve, right. So here I have discussed when molecule is the combination of two atoms, right. When two atoms are chemically bonded, they will form a molecule. When one of the atom forming a diatomic molecule is electronically excited, तो उसका वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन is pushed into an orbital farther from the nucleus. अब दो मॉलिक्यूल के दो एटम में से कोई एक एटम को